Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for a home equity loan on Twoguysfinance. Alright, this video is going to be a really quick one. We're not going to waste any time at all. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to go to the Twoguysfinance website, and then you're going to click on home equity loans. Now you're gonna need to review the different home equity loan options and just choose the one that suits your needs, and then you're gonna click apply now, and you're gonna need to fill out the online application form. Now on that form you're gonna need to provide the required documentations such as proof of income as well as identification. But once that's all done, just review and agree to the home equity loan terms and conditions, but make sure you read that carefully so you have a good understanding of what that's all about. And once that's done, you're going to receive a home equity loan decision, and if approved, you can review and sign the loan documents. Next, you're going to need to close on your home equity loan, and you're going to receive the funds on your accounts. Now you can use Twoguysfinance to manage your home equity loan payments. So don't forget to make on-time payments as per agreement. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for a home equity loan through Twoguysfinance. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next